Hello everyone, this is Lavanya. In this video, we are going to see about we are going to learn about how to create a website by using a login authentication and Fire database. To the database, we can store the data or user details there, and this is the CSS code for the login and sign up page. And here I have used body boxes and have created some of the boxes. And here I have used the input tags also in order to create a user name or email and its password to. And here I have used the submit buttons also. And in this and it is the code of the HTML which I have created for the login and sign up pages, which I have created for using the project with the database. And this is the code which I have connected with the Firebase. First of all, I have initializes the Firebase by using the const app equals to initializes, and uh, and after that I have get the data from the Firebase. After that, I have declared some of the elements like username, email, and phone numbers also. And I have called the element submit, which I have already initializes in the HTML code. And I have used these elements here in order to store the data in the Fire database. And here, if we click on the logins, it will say it. If we click on the login, it will store the data successfully. If we not click on the login, it will not the store the data. And here the elements which I have used for it. And and here we can see Windows dot location href equals to some path of the some location of the file. If we enter our details and if we log into the data, we can enter some of the uh, website which we can use it. When we enter our data successfully, and it will enter into the another website. And and this is the and this is the code which I have uh, written for the website which I have created. And here I have used body display and some of the elements which we used in HTML and CSS frequently. And here I have used input boxes several times, and button, hovers, etc. And for highlighting the things, we have used the CSS. And this is the CSS code which I have written for my website. And this is the HTML code which I have written for it. And this is the code which have included some of the JSON and JS code. And here I have included my HTML elements also, IDs, which will directly link to my HTML page. And this is my code. We can store our data successfully by this help of the code. And this is the key which I have generated from my Firebase. We can generate our own key in the Firebase, which we can create our own project. By the help of this key, we can create our own project, and we can store the data in the Firebase. And this is the key which have everybody has the unique key which we generated in its time, and the key will be changed when we generate it several times. And we can see our output now. In order to see our output, first we have to search in our folders, and here I have stored my folder in one folder, and this is the HTML page which I have stored in Visual Studio Code. And when we click on this,
నేను కేర్ కనిపిస్తోంది నాదా
నీడ కనిపిస్తుంది.
అమ్మమ్మ నేను
అది
మార్చాలి
నీదేం కాదే, అసలు ఏం కనిపించట్లేదు. ఫోల్డర్ అదే డెస్క్టాప్ దగ్గర క్యాప్ అని వచ్చింది అంతే, ఇంకేం ఓపెన్ అవ్వలేదు. ఏం చేసావు ఇప్పుడు? స్టాప్ చేసావా ఏంటి మొత్తానికి? కృష్ణ
చెప్పు మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక నిమిషం
చెప్పాను మళ్ళా ఎలా వచ్చింది?
ఉండు